In this video, I will show you how to create a Google advertising account. Maybe your old advertising account could be canceled because you were inactive for a long time, or maybe you had a problem and you can no longer use that advertising account and you need to create a new one. So I will be able to help you follow a step-by-step process to do that. It could also be that maybe you have a Google advertising account that is currently active, but you want to create another one for a different business or for a different purpose. This procedure will still help you. Okay, so you come to Google and then type create Google account, and then you scroll down. Create Google Ads account. Then you scroll down and click on this one. Then it will bring you to here. So you come here and click on sign up for Google Ads. It will bring you here. So you choose this one. When we choose this, we are creating a new account, and there was already an old account on this one, but it has been canceled for inactivity. So that's why I'm creating a new one. Okay. So if you also maybe if the email you are using is not the one that is currently logged in, you can click on switch account to log into the email that you really want to use to create the account. Okay, so from there, you click on new Google Ads account. Then I'm switching. They are taking me to the wrong account. This is not account. I want to create the new Google Ad account. So I'm switching. Okay, so I have created a new Google Ads account, and okay, so it has brought me back to the old account that is currently available. So this is probably because there is an outstanding debt on the old account, and before we can create a new account, we need to clear that particular one. But if your own, in case you don't have any problem with your old account, you can follow the steps to be able to create a new one. So I'm going to switch an account to create a new Google Ad account. So I'll go to I'll try this one. So for example, this one like this doesn't really have a problem. Though the advertising account has been cancelled also, just like the previous one for inactivity, but there is no any outstanding payment on this advertising account. So if we want to reactivate, we just click on reactivate. Or if we want to create a new Google Ad account, we click on create new Google Ads. So when I click on create new, we just follow the process. Within some few steps, it will bring us to this particular place where you can create your ad campaign. So this is basically the step-by-step process you can follow to be able to create a new Google Ads account for your business. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for powerful videos like this. Okay, bye-bye.